Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making honey chipotle tenders. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need chicken tenderloins, eggs, butter, honey, chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, hot sauce, chicken broth, adobo seasoning, season all, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and all-purpose flour. Begin by cracking 4 eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs. Remove tendon from chicken. Next, season chicken to taste with seasonal, adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Mix well. Add a half cup of hot sauce and the beaten eggs to the chicken. Mix well. Allow chicken to marinate for 1 hour. In a dish, add 2 cups of flour. Season flour to taste with the same seasonings that you use for the chicken. Give it a good mix. Next, coat both sides of the chicken with flour. Allow the chicken to rest while we prepare the sauce. In a blender, add 1 can of chipotle peppers with adobo and 1 cup of chicken broth. Blend for about 30 seconds or until smooth. Next, fry the tenders at 350 degrees for 8 minutes or until golden brown. In a hot skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, strain chipotle sauce into the skillet. Add 1 cup of honey. Give it a good stir. Cook on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Add sauce to the tenders and toss the tenders. And there you have it, honey chipotle tenders. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.